Okay, this is how to taper a bar and scroll it on the difficult axis. You can see here that here's a bit of 30mm by 10mm flat bar. I say the difficult axis because obviously it's a lot easier to bend it if you turn it 90 degrees, but this is more difficult to keep flat and there's more metal to move around to create the point. It's a long taper as well, so you wouldn't want to be doing this by hand, certainly not. The power hammer I've got has got a die set which is half flat top and bottom and half convex top and bottom. the top and bottom, which is convex, is on the right, and you can see that draws out the steel, so it becomes longer and thinner at the same time. That's about as much as I could have done with that one heat. Sticking it back in the gas forge, take out another piece, so you're constantly able to forge the metal hot when you're doing lots of scrolls. Here it is again, that's a nice heat just to taper it even further. Now I'm checking to see whether I've got the taper the right length. I can't remember how many, probably over 100 of these on this staircase I'm making. Saw the photo at the beginning of the base. Excuse me, got a bit of a cough. And it's just about there, so I can dress it up now. Now, the left hand side of the die set is flat, and I'm just running it through there when the steel is almost black. By black I mean nearly cold, in relative terms that is. I'm just flattening it out now. Okay, now I've reached the stage where they're all tapered nicely. Get a nice heat on there. I've made a former here to scroll the end. I use these very good mole grips that are self-adjustable, very easy to use, saves mucking about making a special release mechanism on a scrolling tool. You have to bend it here very carefully because it's on a difficult axis. It may go offline, start to ride up or ride down. So you've got to keep it pretty flat. See that it's resting on a paint pot exactly the same height as the scrolling tool. Just use another bending bar to make sure that it remains straight. Okay, now I'm just going to put it onto the bench and lightly tap it with a hammer to get it absolutely flat. And that's it. And here you can see all the finished scrolls.